Binance Smart Chain Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Binance Smart Chain Wallet app is a gateway to the BSC ecosystem, allowing users to store, send and interact with decentralized applications. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for holding Binance coin, but the surprising truth is that the wallet supports a wide range of ERC20 tokens and DeFi interactions. On the pro side, the wallet provides full control over private keys, seamless integration with decentralized apps, and support for staking and token swaps directly in the app. Transaction fees on BSC are low compared to Ethereum, making it cost-effective for small and large transactions. Security is robust, as private keys are stored locally and not on a centralized server. On the cons side, beginners may find managing private keys and interacting with smart contracts risky if they're not careful. The wallet does not have a recovery mechanism if keys are lost, and phishing attacks remain a threat for inexperienced users. Additionally, some advanced DeFi functions may be confusing for newcomers. In conclusion, the Binance Smart Chain Wallet app is perfect for users who want full control over BSC assets and access to DeFi applications. While it requires responsibility and knowledge about key management, it offers flexibility, low fees, and powerful blockchain functionality for experienced crypto users.